Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But my people, uno know say, me have to get right into it because this a news, yeah, no normal. Hear this.
In the House, I will read again one statement made in the ruling last week. If you review the sitting of the House, July 4, 2023, you will see that Member Robinson was at pains to advise the former Speaker that the Attorney General advises the government or the executive and does not advise the Parliament.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what she has said if it makes sense. Because if the Madam Speaker says she go get advice from the Attorney General and get back to the House of Parliament, why she not do as she promised? You understand what I try to show you? Why she not do that? Why is Juliet Holness withholding information? This is the thing that I cannot understand. Why are you withholding information? This is not right. Because you say you go get advice from Attorney General and you get the advice and come back and withhold information. That is wrong. That is totally wrong. My people want to hear more.
The opinion sought by the Attorney General from the Attorney General by the Speaker is for the guidance of the Speaker in coming to a determination. As I indicated, it does not absolve the Speaker from clearly understanding the legislation. The Speaker would have gone even further than the Attorney General in reviewing the records of Hansard.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, my thing is this. Why they never talk about the legislation? Why they never say to the House of Parliament, say, there's a legislation in place and I'm not going to be able to get back to you? You understand? The Madam Speaker, the former Madam Speaker did mention, so she go get advice on the situation and get back. So what in this document now make Juliet honest she do not want to share the information? Why? Why is she holding it back? I don't understand. And I talk about legislation. Remember, Juliet honest, yeah, the same one will come out and say a legislation them not written out. You understand me? That's what you said. So why now you run up? There's an investigation going on and now you intervene and I talk about legislation. Are you being serious? The people want to hear more.
Both from the Senate and the House in respect of their deliberations on the matter. The Speaker would have gone further, as also recommended by Member Robinson to the former Speaker, that one wondered whether the Parliamentary Legal Counsel was consulted. In my ruling last week, I ensured the House clearly understood that all the documents submitted from the Attorney General, all the correspondence from the former Speaker, all the correspondence from the Auditor General were passed to the Parliamentary Legal Counsel. Notwithstanding all of that effort, ultimately the Speaker has a duty to the people of the country as well as the Parliament to ensure that the ruling is sound in law. The ruling of the Speaker is in keeping with the law and the standing orders of this Parliament. The ruling of the Speaker is not inconsistent with the law. So when there are issues that arise in the Parliament that come to blows from different members of the House, it causes the Speaker to have to look closer at the law and the standing orders which govern us within the House and make a ruling. And that was done. In the ruling, I said the opinion of the Parliamentary Legal Council, which considered all correspondence between the Parliament, the Attorney General, and the Auditor General, is available for your perusal. I went further to ask the Parliament to email to every member of the House the ruling and the opinion of the Parliamentary Legal Council. You are currently, as a Parliament, in the process of going through a review of the said Integrity Commission Act in a joint select committee of the entire Parliament, meaning both the Senate and the House, both the government and the opposition side. That is your opportunity as legislators to fix anything that you had wanted to be said differently. This Speaker has ruled in keeping with exactly how the law is worded. Equally, the following day, a member moved a motion so that also at the standing orders level, at that committee level, the members of the House can decide how you want to amend going forward the entire membership. The members of the House, all committees within the House are a reflection of the House, and all committees within the House need to be understood, members. They are the workhorse of the Parliament. That is where we are supposed to dig very deep, interrogate and argue issues. There are no reports at all in contention that have not been laid and properly laid. Not one report has come that has not been laid up to today. And this has been the case for weeks. Members, respectfully, the ruling is settled and you have recourse through the standing orders if you so desire. Members, please order in the House. I will.
Juliet Wellness, let me tell you something, my people, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah? Juliet Wellness, you have to understand this. Yeah? The people them not trust you. The people them in the House of Parliament do not trust you nor Andrew Wellness. They not trust none of you. The opposition side not trust none of you because they know say you a crook and a lie. So they not trust you. You understand? Number one, you in that position, conflict of interest, husband and wife. You obviously you're going to defend your husband. Remember, say, you did promise House of Parliament that whatever information the Attorney General share with you, you're going to share it with the House. So how comes after a sudden legislation in it? My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me one thing. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there, cause me really want to hear phone views on this. My viewers and subscribers, NCB said them upgrade the IABMs to accept new banknotes. The National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, NCB, says all of its intelligent automated banking machines, IABMs, have been upgraded to accept and dispense the recently introduced polymer banknotes. The upgrade was completed at the end of October. Vice President of Payments and Digital Channels, Daniel Cameron Duncan, says with the enhancements made over the last few months, customers will experience a marked improvement in ABM availability. So there you go, my people. NCB say the machine is up and running. Alright, so everything is upgraded, my people. Them a move fast, see? Oh, what a bangarang. Anyway, my people, wanna put an opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think there. Alright, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn your post notification bell on, my people. So when me drop the video, them wanna get it straight away. Bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.